Changing your bank account on Samsara is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your Samsara account. Access your Samsara account by entering your username and password on the login page. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any access issues. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your profile icon. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select Payment Information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update bank account details. Look for an option to edit or change your bank account. Enter the new bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Double check for accuracy to prevent any payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new bank account information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button and click it to ensure your new details are recorded. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account information on Samsara will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Samsara's customer support for assistance.